Welcome to Bosleys Cottage at Lydiard St Lawrence. This beautiful cottage sits in 3.6 acres. It's a cracker, and as our vendors have said, it's seduced them into staying here for 15 years. I think that says everything, but come and have a look around with me. Although the property's already had the benefit of an extension, there is still current planning to allow a new owner to come in and put further accommodation on if required. Listen to that. Let's call it the sound of silence. And apart from the steam train whistling away as it goes through Crocombe Station, you are in the most perfect area. Light pollution? No. Stars? Yes. One of the lovely things here as well is our vendors have been almost self-sufficient through all the work they do on the land. And also behind me is this rather useful outbuilding. So if you've got hobbies, business running from home, even got a wood burner in the corner, this is a real bonus and something to come and have a look at. How many properties can say they boast their very own lime kiln? It's a Grade 2 listed feature. The property is not listed, but it's just another individual part of the character of this beautiful property, and another reason why you should come and have a look. I hope you've enjoyed that brief view of this super property. Give us a call if you'd like to come and have a look at it. 01823 423 500. But I'm off inside for a cup of tea now.